So there's three levels, A, B, and C. A means that you are you own the phone number that you're calling out on, and you're also originating that call. You are the source of origination. That is the best you can get. That is what you want. That is what everybody is striving for, A attestation. Essentially, what this means is that your call is going to get delivered. B means that we know that you are placing the call. However, we can't verify that you own that phone number. And it's likely that that might be the case if you purchased a phone number from a third party, which then you're using for origination method, but they can't quite verify both tokens. That's still okay. That does mean that your call is going to be delivered. C means we can't verify that you own it, and we also can't verify that you're placing the call. This is no bueno because your call is not going to be delivered. It will be completely blocked by STIR/SHAKEN. And then the last area, you can see at the very bottom, is no attestation. And essentially what that means is that A, your originator is not STIR/SHAKEN compliant, or B, and this is a big part of it, is that somewhere along the call flow, your certificate was dropped.